This market, Latin America market, is very critical for us, and I have had a lot of exposure in this market before. And this Digital America event is a perfect event for us to reach diverse customers across different segments, where I can really reach Latin America and forge partnerships within the LATAM region. And I was able to meet a lot of partners or potential partners and affiliates here today, and I'm looking forward to have tomorrow and future events. This has been very diverse and very good mix of different players and partners and collaborators here, and really looking forward to grow our business here in Latin America and grow our partnership with America Digital.